Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the algorithms in collection framework. Okay. So the example is Java Collections app. And we are going to use array list, collection, comparator, and some random. So we import those uh, interface and classes. The first part is we create an object of array list. The static type is list and edit all these books. Okay, nothing new here. And then what we do is we sort. So collection. So this is the algorithm, okay, the sort method from collections framework. And so you plug in the array list and you specify what comparison rule you're going to apply. So here we use ID for comparison where we output, okay. And let's see the output. Sorted by ID. Yeah, if we take a look, yeah, it did sorted by ID. Okay. And then what next we call sort. This time we sort using name. Okay, so we do the lambda expression for comparator interface. Yeah, and we use name for comparison. Okay, and we output. And let's take a look. Okay, if you take a look, you will see, yeah, it did sorted by name. Okay, and then what next we do is we also add a new book, and then we do sort again. Okay, this time this sort is customized sorting. Okay, so for this sorting is we use two levels. We do name first, then ID. Okay. So let's see, sorted customized. Yeah, if you take a look at the result, you will see, yeah, it's name first, and within the name, then it's ID. Okay. So here just shows that sort, you can define different sorting criteria. And we can also do search, okay, so like the binary search, it also support, okay, you specify, you plug in the data structure, and then the item you want to search, and you can also specify, because it's binary search, that so it needs to follow the comparison, is it greater or less than. So you can specify the comparison rule. And then here we try to find this item. So let's see if we find it. Yeah, we did find it. Okay, and what to do next? You can also, so collection also, the algorithm also provide a method to do reverse. Okay, so you can also reverse the item, and you can see it's reversed. And what next we did is we create an array list. Okay. And the collection also has a method called add all. Okay. You can add all the items and so we here add of the books to that new array list. Okay, and then we can also output. Let's see if we did the list is the third one. And what next one try to do is to you can also fill, okay, and add basically a new item to the list. If you take a look, the output is interesting as this field method does the updating. So it will replace all of the existing item with this new value. Yeah, so that's what it did. So just to do the updating. And the next one, what we did is you can also do copy work. Okay. So after that, we can see that it does the copying. And the next thing, you can also exchange the two items. So you specify the list and the index so that you can swap. Okay. And we can take a look if we did get a swap. Yeah, did you see it did get a swap? Okay. And we can also call the shuffle to rearrange. Okay, and you can check. And it also allows you to do to find the maximum item. And of course, it has a rule for comparison. So we can define the criteria for comparison using the comparator operator interface. And it also allows you to do the rotate, okay? Rotate you from the first to put it to the back. Yeah, you can do this kind of rotate work. Okay, so that's about the last example in this chapter. Yeah, so we complete all the discussion for chapter 19. So we will move to next chapter in our next lecture. See you.